Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's understand another modification of the Z-Plasty known as the 6-flap Z-Plasty. Here we mark the central limb over the scar and then create 3 flaps, each at angle of 45 degree. So this angle will be 45 degree, this will also be 45 degree, and this will also be 45 degree at either ends of the central limb. Therefore we create total 6 flaps named flap A, flap B, flap C, flap D, flap E and flap F. Now we start the transposition. First transposition, the major transposition will be between the flap C and flap D. The flap D will go on one side and the flap C will go on the other side. After that, the two small transposition will occur between E and A and B and F flaps. So the final flap positions will appear as a zigzag line. You can remember the positions of each flap by simply writing them in sequence, such as A, B and C with in between flaps of D, E and F. Thank you.